What if I told you you're losing thousands of dollars on the table while negotiating your salary? Well, by end of this video, you will know exactly how to triple your salary with HR in 5 easy steps. And stay tuned because these stuff are next level stuff. You won't find it anywhere else. By end of this video, you will know exact step to triple your salary with HR in just 5 easy steps. Imagine you're walking into the next job interview and confidently negotiating a salary that makes your friend jealous. Sound fancy, right? Well, today I'm sharing the secret that HR doesn't want you to know. From real life success story to insider tips, we are deep diving into the do's and don'ts for your salary negotiation. Hello everyone, welcome to School of Management. Myself Vijay Kumar, and today we are going to discuss how to triple your salary with HR in 5 simple steps. So, let's get started. Step number 1. Research and preparation. Your process of tripling your salary starts long before your discussion. So, let's say you are interviewing for a marketing manager position. You should not just ask for a raise out of thin air. No. First, we need to know what others in similar roles are making. Websites like Glassdoor and PayScores are your best friend. Did you know the people who research salary ranges are 80% more likely to negotiate successfully? Before even thinking about talking number with HR, you need to do your homework. Step number 2. Build your case. Once you know what is your worth, the next step is building your case. This is where you highlight your skill and achievement which brings benefit to the company. Have you remembered the incidents when you increase your department sales by 20%? Bring that up. Use number and specific example. Don't just say I worked hard. Show how you worked hard paid off. Avoid using vague statements like I'm a team player. HR wants clear proof of your awesomeness. Trust me, specific numbers are your best friend. Step number 3. Timing. Timing is everything. This step is all about choosing the right time to initiate a salary negotiation. You don't want to jump the gun on salary talk. The best time to bring it up is after you have received the job offer, but you have not accepted it. Research shows that negotiating after receiving an offer increases your chance of higher salary by 70%. Think of it like proposing at the right moment, not too early, not too late. Step number 4, the negotiation conversation. So it's a game time. Let's talk about how to handle the actual negotiation. So you have done your research, you have built your case, and you have picked the right moment. Now the time is to get into the real conversation. Start with a number higher than what you want, but still fair. If you are aiming for $80,000, start by asking $90,000. This gives you the room to negotiate down to your desired amount. Remember, never say I need this amount because of personal expenses. Focus on your value to the company. Step number 5. Follow up and seal the deal. You have laid up your case, you negotiated like a pro, now it's time to seal the deal. After the negotiation, send a thank you email reiterating your excitement for the role and summarizing the agreed term. Express gratitude and restate your value to the company. Avoid sounding desperate or too eager to please. Think of it like sealing the deal with a firm handshake, even it's virtual. So, there you have it. 5 simple steps to triple your salary while negotiating with HR. Remember, preparation, confidence, and timing is key for your success. Good luck for your next salary negotiation. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your success together. Bye for now.